Oh, sorry. I can help you.
Is there anyone else in here?
No, it's just me.
Okay. You mind just opening the door, that way I can see?
What you trying to look for?
I just want to make sure there's no one else in there to start, and then I'll talk to you about
there's no one in there right now.
Okay.
Right.
Come out here and talk to me then.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be honest with you. So we got a report that you were seen walking into your dorm with alcohol. So
Okay.
Is there alcohol in there?
I don't answer questions. What's your name and your badge number?
Officer Purtle, NMSU Police.
Title and name?
The security officer.
Oh, security officer. Okay.
Okay. You have an ID with you?
I do.
Okay. Can I see it?
You suspect me of a crime?
I do.
Okay. What crime and how can you articulate it?
Minor in possession of alcohol. We got a report that you were walked in.
So it's like here that they said thing.
Okay.
It's yeah, right. It's like they said that he has, and that's how you're gonna articulate it.
So we don't have to go down this route. If you wanna go down this route, we can.
Well, I really don't, but like I'm studying right now. I'm doing homework. Okay, knocked on my door. I'm out here. I want to know what's on. You say that they said that there's alcohol in this room.
Okay.
Oh, they saw me going into this room, and that there's alcohol in there. How can you articulate it though?
Okay, so that's why I'm here talking to you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I still need to ID you.
You're a law student in your dorm, doing absolutely nothing wrong. Then, knock knock, campus police are at your door. They accuse you of bringing alcohol onto university property, but they have no warrant, no proof, and no permission to enter. What happens next is a masterclass in knowing your rights. Calm and collected, this student confronts the officers, questioning their legal basis, challenging their claims, and refusing to be intimidated.
No.
And then we need to go from there.
You have to suspect me of a crime.
I do.
You realize that cops in New Mexico don't have qualified immunity, right?
I do that. I do.
Okay, so from here on, let's just be careful with what you're about to do right now. Okay. You're saying that you want my ID, but right now you or yourself can articulate a crime that I've committed. Okay. So
I already explained to you why I'm here. Why I need your ID.
I know what you're here, but okay, is my ID gonna tell you if there's alcohol in that room?
No, but I still need to identify you.
My name is Joel.
Joel what?
Joel.
I need your first, last name, and your date of birth.
No, you don't.
I do. If you don't want to provide that,
you don't want to call Officer Donovan or one of your supervisors here?
Yeah, I can get a sergeant over.
Then calling him, because right now, this is not what you want to do right now, because this is a violation of my Fourth Amendment.
Okay. All right. Let me get a sergeant over here. Okay.
Yeah.
202-212.
Go ahead. Oh, I'm not.
Yeah, that's my room.
Okay. You want to just hang out here then?
Is he detained?
No, that's fine. I just don't want anyone else going in the room.
You could go in then. If he's not detained, he's free to go.
Yeah, he's free to go, but he can't go in the room.
He can't?
No, not at this time.
All right. Just let it be, bro.
The student explicitly states, am I being detained? Do you have a warrant? Which are absolutely appropriate legal questions. The officer's failure to provide legal justification for their actions could amount to an unlawful search.
Called and said that they saw or me walk in there with a case of beer, but that's all they have. So
it's an investigation. I'm talking to him. He doesn't want to identify himself. So until we get this figured out, there's a sergeant on the way that's going to talk to him. Until this gets figured out, I don't want anyone to go in the room. You're free to go anywhere else. That's fine. You're not detained or anything, but that's what's going on.
Is anything going to happen if I don't identify myself?
You can be arrested for concealing identity, yes.
That's what I want you to say. If you don't ID to me right now, if I don't give you my ID, that you're going to arrest me. I want you to give me that ultimatum.
So just hold on. You want to wait? You said you wanted to wait to speak to a supervisor, so let's just do that.
Okay, thank you.
And keep your hand.
What happens next is a masterclass in knowing your rights. Calm and collected, this student confronts the officers, questioning their legal basis, challenging their claims, and refusing to be intimidated. This isn't just about alcohol, it's about the Constitution, due process, and how legal knowledge can protect you when authority oversteps its bounds.
Hands out of your pockets for me.
Hey, Justin. Have you been advised?
All right. Stay there with him. Appreciate it. So, made contact with him at the door. He got his phone out and started recording right away.
Okay.
I explained to him why we were here. Got a report that he walked in there with alcohol. asked him if anyone else is in the room. He said, no one else is in the room. Like, okay, can you open the door so I can see? Make sure no one else is in there. I'm not going to do that. Okay. I'll come out here and talk to me. Okay. So he comes out. So, are you suspecting me of crime right now? Am I being detained? All that kind of stuff. Explained to him what was reported to us, that he's suspected of taking alcohol into his dorm room, underage, and that I needed to identify him. Like, well, that's all hearsay. What is that going to do if you identify me? Well, we're suspecting you of a crime. It's a misdemeanor. So I at least need to identify you. What we do from there, whatever. But he gave me his first name as Joel, and doesn't want to give last name or date of birth, and asked to speak to Officer Donovan or one of my supervisors. So.
Cool. Okay. So right now we have minor in possession of alcohol, possibly.
And he asked me if anything's going to happen if I don't, or if he doesn't give me his name and date of birth. I told him that potentially you could be arrested for concealing identity if we want to go that route. Okay, I want you to give me that ultimatum right here, right now, that if I don't give you my ID, that you're going to arrest me for concealing identity. And I said, well, you want to talk to the supervisor, so how about we just wait till the sergeant gets here? He said that are you aware that MSU, or that New Mexico doesn't have qualified immunity? Yeah, so he went down that route, so I think that's what he's trying to get at. So that's pretty much where we're at.
Okay.
Concealing ID and
Hi.
Hi. Name and badge number, please.
Sergeant John Lovelace. My badge number is 212.
212. All right, thank you. Officer said here that if I don't ID, I will be subject to arrest. Is that true?
It's possible, yes.
Possible, yes or no? I need that ultimatum, or else I won't get my ID.
Okay, so technically right now, yes, you could be arrested.
Could.
For that.
I need a yes or no. Like, I need you to tell me if you don't give me your ID right now, I'm going to arrest you.
Why would I say that to you?
Because I need that ultimatum, because right now you're asking.
Yes.
And I have the right to say no, because you're asking. It's not a lawful order. Okay. I need you to make it a lawful order.
You're being detained for suspicion of minor in possession of alcohol. We need to see your ID.
Okay, and if not?
And if not, you could be considered concealing identity.
To detain someone, officers need reasonable, articulable suspicion that a crime occurred. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1 Circuit Court, 1968, allows brief investigatory stops, but only when police have specific and articulable facts to justify them. Simply seeing a student with a bag and assuming it contains alcohol, without visual confirmation or signs of intoxication, may not meet the Terry standard.
New Mexico statute says that concealing of identity is a secondary charge. I would have to have been arrested or suspected of a crime.
No.
Right now, you hear just hearsay.
Arrested or suspected. You're being suspected of having possession.
On what grounds?
Okay, so do you have any alcohol in your possession?
I don't answer questions. On what grounds?
Okay, so you don't have any alcohol in your possession.
On what grounds? I don't answer questions. On what ground? Yeah, that's our room, bro. Nah, they're trying to go in, bro. They're trying to ID me and shit, but nah.
Okay, so who are you talking to?
I'm recording you.
You're recording. Okay,
you're not
very
involved
good.
at all, so if you want to
Yeah, if you want to hang out down there, you can.
Dorm rooms are treated as private residences under the law. That means students have an expectation of privacy, and police need a warrant or valid exception to enter. Piazzolla versus Watkins, 442 F2D 284, 5th Serban 1971, held that warrantless searches of college dorm rooms violated the Fourth Amendment, as students have the same reasonable expectation of privacy in dorms as in private homes. State versus Ellis, 2006, Ohio, 6284. Police may not search a dorm room without probable cause or the student's consent. College policy does not override constitutional protections.
That's fine. So here's the deal. By saying could, what we are trying to do is we're trying to be cooperative with you and have you be cooperative with us and help us clear this matter up.
Okay, I gave him my name, Joel.
What's your last name?
You don't need my last name and you do not need my date of birth unless you want to run me for it, unless you want to run my name through your system. Are you trying to run my name through the system?
Do you have warrants for your arrest?
I don't answer questions. I don't answer questions. I'm asking questions. I don't. It's my Fifth Amendment. Is it or is it not?
Okay. So the question is that like the officer told you, you're being suspected of having possession of alcohol underage. So, in that case, the easiest way to prevent this is for you to let us know. Either somebody saw you carry a case of beer. You have a case of beer in your possession?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. All right. So the next step in this process would be, would you give us consent to check your room?
Nope.
To make sure that
Nope.
you have no alcohol in your possession?
If the officers had tried to enter without a warrant, they would need voluntary, informed consent. But the student's refusal made it clear. No consent was given. Bumper versus North Carolina, 391 U.S. 543, 1968. Consent given only after claim of lawful authority, like falsely implying a warrant exists, is not true consent. If any entry had occurred after this student said no, that would likely be a violation of constitutional rights.
Nope, I do not consent to any searches nor seizures.
Okay, very good. All right. This is completely up to you how you want to play this.
You could get a warrant, or you could,
So
or you have probable cause. Go
right
ahead.
now, we do have reasonable suspicion that possibly a crime had been committed. We're trying to investigate that. You're certainly welcome to refuse if you wish.
I know.
But we need to ID you.
Or
And if you do not present your identification, you can face a non-traffic
Could.
citation.
you're saying could. I need you to
Because
say
I'm
you
giving
will.
I'm giving you the opportunity to.
No, I need that ultimatum.
cooperative
I will
with
give
us.
you my ID if you say that I'm going to go get arrested if I don't give it to you.
So you'll give us if we say that.
If you say that, yes, sir. Because that's already grounds for me to set up litigation against you.
So you're threatening to sue us.
I ain't threatening nothing, brother.
That's what you just said.
It's not a
It
threat.
gives you grounds to.
It's not a threat. It gives me grounds. Does it or does it not? I don't answer questions.
Okay, so the easiest and simplest solution to this is for you to tell us your name, date of birth.
Joel.
Joel what?
Joel.
Okay, by just saying Joel, there's 1,000 Joels. I need a last name and a date of birth.
For what? You're gonna run?
In order
I
to
told
confirm
you want my
are
name.
for the report. I need to have your name and date
You
of birth.
could.
It
I
says
didn't even have to give you my first name for that report. You could literally put the citizen or the guy or the suspect. Yes, you
doesn't
can.
work like that.
Yes, it does. I'm a law student here. You're not gonna come over here and try to violate my rights.
So I'm not trying to violate your rights. I'm trying to be cooperative with you, and you be cooperative
Okay,
with us.
cooperate with me and accept that I'm not gonna give my ID unless I'm gonna get arrested. Say it and I'll give you my ID. Just say, if you don't give me your ID, I'm gonna arrest you.
So you want us to threaten
You want us to-
Yes, I want you to give me that ultimatum if you really want the ID.
Threaten you. That's not how this is.
Why? Because you know you can't. You know you don't have that ultimatum. You know you can because you know that opens up for litigation. And to make this clear, I'm detained right now, right?
Correct.
Thank you.
You have to stay over.
No, I can't. I'm in your view.
I'm telling you, you need to stay over here.
Just keep recording, Sean. Don't let him intimidate you. Oh, let me take my hand on. Keep recording, Sean. Don't let him intimidate you. Oh, let me take my hand on my pocket.
Thank you. I
There's two
appreciate
guys right
that.
here with Glocks and scared of a 19-year-old with the phone, bro.
Well, I'm not scared of a 19-year-old with the phone I have. Come on, man, don't do that, okay?
No.
Seriously,
Like,
that's
stick your
just
hand out
that's
your
just
pocket.
be.
Do you see something in my pocket?
Okay,
right now?
well, we would like for you to do that for us, just to be cooperative.
Oh,
okay,
just to be
so-
cooperative, like just
Come on,
like for you to
don't-
say what you want me to do. Are you googling the laws right now? Because
Yeah.
that's really what you should be doing right now. All right, cool.
You okay with that?
Yeah, continue reading.
Are
the
you
statute.
sure you're okay with that?
Yeah. I give you permission.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, it's
I
okay.
appreciate it. Okay, so. Sure.
You have a class at the end or what?
Okay, so here's why we need your name and date of birth. I'm going to read you the law because you are a law student, okay?
Sean, can you
According to
make
New
this again?
Mexico, it's all being recorded.
Yeah, I know, but
My
those
body
are hard to
camera's
get.
running.
So I'm gonna use my own.
So concealing identity consists of concealing one's true name or identity or disguising oneself with the intent to obstruct the due execution of the law,
Am I obstructing?
or, yes, technically you are, with the intent to intimidate, hinder, or
The officer demands ID. The student refuses, exercising his right. That's when the officer accuses him of concealing his identity and threatens to arrest him. The student hands over his ID, not because he wants to, but because he's scared. This isn't law enforcement. It's coercion. In many states, including New Mexico, concealing one's identity refers to willfully refusing to disclose one's name after a lawful detention and when there is reasonable suspicion of a crime. New Mexico statute, NMSA 1978, paragraph 3022-3. Concealing identity consists of concealing one's true name or identity with intent to obstruct the due execution of the law or with intent to intimidate, hinder, or interrupt a public officer.
or interrupt any public officer or any person in illegal performance of his duties or exercise of his rights under the law of the United States.
Okay, so your investigation is investigating that I'm in possession of alcohol, right?
That's exactly
Okay,
what
and
we
if I
said.
don't give you, if I give you my ID, is that gonna tell you if I do or do not have alcohol in that room?
Under Terry versus Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, and Hebel versus 6th Judicial District Court, 2004, police must have reasonable, articulable suspicion that a crime has occurred or is about to occur. The officer had no reasonable suspicion of any crime. The student was not lawfully detained, therefore no legal basis to demand ID. Accusing the student of concealing identity is legally unfounded.
If
Or is
you-
it just a
if
way
you
pathway
deny,
to find me with something?
no, the ID is so that we can identify who we are talking to. If you wish to deny us access to that room, that is totally within your rights.
I know.
But you refusing to identify yourself
I
to
know.
us by name and date of birth,
Yeah.
full name,
Mm-hmm.
date of birth,
Mhm.
that is concealing identity,
Yeah.
okay?
Okay, so just tell me
So,
that if I don't give you
can-
the ID, you're gonna arrest me. Just
Okay.
say it.
Show us your ID. We need to see your ID.
Or-
Or you will be arrested.
Thank you. You got that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got that. Fucking pigs, fool, for real.
Why do you use that term?
Cause why the fuck are you searching my shit? Like,
We're not searching
no,
your shit.
yes, that's a
Go ahead and identify him real quick,
seize
please.
of
Once the officer escalated the encounter by invoking concealing identity and threatening arrest, the student's ID was given under duress, which means any seizure of ID is unconstitutional. Bostick versus Florida, 1991. Any seizure made under coercion or threat is invalid under the Fourth Amendment.
my identification. Is it or is it not?
It's not a seizure. We just
Is
need
a
to confirm-
seizure of my identification, yes or no?
We just need to see who you are in order to
I
go
told you my
forward in
fucking
the
name.
investigation.
Told you my fucking name. Did I or did I
Your
not?
legal name.
My
You gave
legal
us your
name.
first name.
What is my Joel? Not the legal name or what?
Joel what?
He has my ID. Go look at it.
Perfect. That's all we
Yeah.
needed. Thank you. That's all we needed.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go down here real quick, please.
Am I able to go in my room?
No, not yet. Just hold up for just.
Campus police may have limited jurisdiction depending on the state. Even where they act with police powers, their authority doesn't override constitutional protections. In many states, dorms are protected just like private residences, even more so when no school rule violation has occurred. The officer escalated a peaceful refusal into a threat of arrest, despite having no legal justification. That could rise to intimidation, abuse of authority, violation of civil rights under color of law. See 42 U.S. Code, paragraph 1983.
Just a minute, please, guys. Okay, so he's denying us for consent to search. That's
No, that's
fine.
fine.
But we have him ID'd, so we're going to make sure we take a report.
Yep.
And then, so basically, we got called, someone suspected him of having alcohol in his dorm room, carrying a case of beer in.
Okay.
He's 19 years old. We will take a case report on it. There'll be a case number drawn. Pretty much, basically, he's pushing the issue on the concealing identity, but now that we've negated that, we don't have to do any more. We will take a report just to document the incident. Okay? Any questions?
Just the report number. in
Yeah,
case
we'll get that
you guys
here.
get it, but
We'll get that here in just a minute. All right. Thank you. Appreciate it, Joel.
Yeah, go
We're done.
yourselves.
Okay, have a good night. You guys can go to your room now. Thank you.
Stupid fucking pigs.
If we really wanted to push the issue, we could stop and lock the room down and get a search warrant. But we have an anonymous complaint. So it's really kind of one of those things that's up in the air. We don't want to do that.
Hey, I appreciate you though. You're a professional. Thanks a lot for that. Thanks.
Okay, case number
Have a good day.
is 2023 7816. Cool. Anything else? You guys need anything else?
Not right now. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
dealing.
No problem. Thank you guys for coming out.
Did I get like a badge number or anything now?
Yeah, my name's Officer Pirtle. My batch number is 202.
Are they? Oh, wait, they're right here.
Hi.
Oh, they're right here.
Okay,
Just listening.
20.
Yeah, you're listening? All right, anything else I can help you guys with?
We
No,
just danced.
So you're just gonna stand around and get paid?
Yeah, sure.
You're just gonna stand around and get paid, brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, like, I think we can just prove some braces. I'm gonna get complaints on both of your asses.
Okay.
And Chief Donovan's gonna know about this shit, cause he knows who I am.
Chief Donovan knows
Chief
you.
Donovan knows who I am.
Okay, very good.
Alright?
Appreciate it.
Fucked up for real.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, and did you find anything with that ID, brother? Did you find out if there's alcohol in here or not with that ID? Nah? So what the fuck
You
was the
denied us
point?
consent, so that's fine.
I didn't
Like
give
I
you
said, like
consent.
I told-
You could,
exactly.
You could, you wouldn't.
So
If you
we're not
could,
gonna argue with you. Have a nice
Yeah,
day.
get the fuck out of here.
Well, this is actually a common area, so we're allowed to be
Get the fuck
here.
out, go work. I paid you for something. Fuck out of here. Yes, I
Why
paid
are
you
you
for
doing
something.
this?
Fuck out of here. Because you fucking got my ID for no fucking reason, brother.
Okay.
Get the fuck out of here.
Have a nice day, sir.
Fuck
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah, fuck you.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Go ahead.
You'll just log in and log in.
Yeah, go on.
Where'd you park?
I'm on the east side.
Okay.
I'm gonna walk back by here in just a minute.
Oh,
So,
cool.
okay, I'm gonna go back by.
Sounds good.
I'm over on the other side.
Okay.
All right.
Alright.
I will call the I will call the chief real quick and just let him know
Sounds good.
that supposedly there's gonna be a complaint on us, so.
Joel Martinez.
Joel Martinez?
Arrest their asses,
Okay.
man. Here goes the friends.
Huh?
Jesus, man, that's what disrespectful.
Yeah, maybe.
I'll ask this.
I'll meet you.
Name right now. Are you going back to the office? Or
Yeah, I'm headed back that way.
Okay.
So, I'll go call the chief real quick and let him know.
cool.
There's 140. No para la water. No, because we need to change the,
Excuse me, guys.
put the electric union on it. And we can get.
No reasonable suspicion, no right to demand, ID threatening arrest without cause, abuse of power, coerced ID, unlawful seizure. This student knew the law and still got pressured into giving up his rights. The real lesson? You can follow the law, stay calm, and still be threatened by the very people meant to protect you. But now the camera is watching, and the internet is paying attention.